These interactive installations and artistic displays, we hope to transform ordinary journeys into moments of inspiration. From morning commutes to evening crowds, these spaces invite travelers to pause and engage with my father's philosophy, his martial arts, and his life.
即係始終都要打下咧，其實樣嘢都係一個 symbol 嚟嘅，係永恆嘅。李小龍，我覺得李小龍佢嘅貢獻咧，其實佢大家都知道佢係一個哲學家啦，佢係一個武術家，佢係一個創新者。其實佢亦都係一個文化嘅偶像，佢係一個 cultural icon。咁佢改變咗電影咧，改變咗文化啦，改變咗武術啦，所以呢一個文化遺產咧，如果喺我哋呢個地鐵喺個港鐵入邊咧，俾我哋而家尤其是後生嘅年青人咧，繼續去感受咗佢嘅偉大，佢嘅貢獻係非常之有意義嘅。
3、2、1，港鐵呈現李小龍誕辰85週年紀念展。